how to delete app on Android phone. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So for deleting your app on Android phone, there are certain ways. You can follow any one of them. So let's talk about the first method. You have to simply swipe up to your home page and you'll be able to see your app list. From over here, you have to select the app that you want to uninstall. After deciding which app you are gonna delete, you have to simply long press and hold the app and you have to tap on uninstall option, and once again you have to tap on OK and it will be uninstalled. Now the second method is once again you have to swipe up to your menu and you have to long press and hold the app and you have to go for app info. Right after opening up the app info of the certain application, you'll be able to see this interface. So simply tap on uninstall option at the middle of the screen and you have to tap on OK and it will be uninstalled or deleted from your device. Now the next method is from the Google Play Store. So you have to go back and open up Google Play Store on your device. From over here you have to tap on your profile at the right upper corner and you have to go for manage apps and device. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the overview and manage option. You have to switch to manage and from over here you have to select the apps that you want to delete or uninstall, and once you're done you have to tap on delete option in the right upper corner and you have to confirm and you'll be able to delete the app. So these are the 3 ways how you can delete app on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.